Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable restricted mode on YouTube Android. YouTube provides a restricted mode option for filtering mature content, which also prevents accessing some videos that may be considered inappropriate despite being suitable for all ages. We will walk through turning off restricted mode on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Select General to control default features and filters. Options for customizing YouTube content include a toggle for restricted mode, which determines whether potentially inappropriate videos are blocked or all uploads are viewable. Turning this switch to the off position disables restricted mode. Consider your tolerance for sensitive topics or offensive language when determining if restricting or unrestricting content better suits your needs. Restricted mode can be enabled at any time if preferred or required. After reviewing options, turn the switch next to restricted mode to the left, off position, to disable restricted mode. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube Playback on your Android device will now provide access to all videos and uploads until restricted mode is enabled or additional general settings are adjusted. The default restricted mode option can be switched on or off going forward as needed. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues, rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling content filters, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to disable restricted mode on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the profile icon, select General, turn off restricted mode, review and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now provide access to all content unless restricted mode is enabled or other general options adjusted. Let me know if you have any other questions on customizing content filters, managing default settings, or streaming features. I can provide additional guidance on options available in the YouTube app. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.